Hello everyone, this is Arpita Tripathy welcoming you all to my channel and your very own learning platform, The World of Chemistry. Today, I'll continue my discussion from the last topic, atomic structure. So keep watching, and to know my latest updates, do the needful. So let's see what all portions I'll be covering today. Today I'll recall the structure of an atom, discuss about chemical symbol, atomic number and mass number. I'll also discuss about electronic configuration and stability of an atom. This is the structure of an atom containing the positively charged protons, neutrons. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus of an atom, which is a small, dense area present at the center of every atom. Protons and neutrons are together known as the nucleons. As they are present inside the nucleus of an atom, so they are also called as the nuclear part of an atom. The nucleus of an atom is always electrically positive due to the presence of the positive protons. Electrons are present outside the nucleus of an atom at their own revolving orbits around the nucleus. As it is present outside the nucleus, so it forms the extranuclear part of an atom. Electrons are the negatively charged particles. Protons, electrons and neutrons are the fundamental subatomic particles of an atom, as these three particles are present in each and every atom of each and every elements. Due to the presence of these positive protons and negative electrons, the atom is electrically neutral. In this image, X represents the chemical symbol of an element, where symbol is defined as the shorthand representation of the name of an element. A represents the mass number or the atomic mass of this element X. Mass number is defined as the total number of protons and neutrons present. So, it is also known as the nucleon number. Z is the atomic number of the element X. It is defined as the total number of protons present. Hence, it is also known as the proton number. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Now let's know what is an electronic configuration. Electronic word represents electron related and configuration means arrangement or layout. So it is defined as the arrangement of electrons in the well-defined shell. The shell present just next to the nucleus of an atom is named as the K shell, and the remaining shells are L, M, N shells. So, in this structure of an atom, the outermost shell is known as the valence shell, and the electrons present in the valence shells are known as the valence electrons. So this is how the respective shells are named. First is K shell, second is L shell, third is M shell, and fourth is N shell. Each orbit can hold a specific maximum number of 2 n square electrons in it, where n is the shell number. First shell K, here the maximum number of electrons accommodate is 2, where n is equal to 1. The second shell L, here in n the number will be 2, so the maximum number of electrons can accommodate here is 8. In the third shell, same formula 2n square, so n is equal to 3. Hence 18 number of electrons can accommodate, and similarly in the n shell 32 electrons can accommodate. Next is chemical stability. An atom is chemically stable when its outermost energy level has the maximum number of electrons. The stability depends on whether its outermost shell is filled with electrons or not. If the valence shell is filled, then only the atom will be stable. For example, here in the helium structure you can see it has only the K shell, and as K shell can accommodate maximum of 2 electrons, so helium is having that, hence it is a stable atom. All other elements are stable when they have 8 electrons. Exceptional is hydrogen. It means the element should have octet configuration, which is the stable state. Octet configuration means having 8 electrons in the valence shell. The noble gases are the elements that are most stable due to the maximum number of valence electrons present in their outermost shell. And the noble gases are as follows: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. This is why the noble gases are the happy atoms and are unreactive. Here you can see 2 atoms of hydrogen and helium respectively. Hydrogen, because having 1 electron in its outermost shell, it reacts with other elements, while helium doesn't. In this oxygen atom, the electronic configuration is 2, 6. So outermost shell is having 6 electrons. For this, either it will be sharing electron or it will borrow. But borrowing will be easier for it. So to obtain stability, oxygen needs 2 more electrons in its outermost shell. For this, it reacts with hydrogen and shares its outermost electron with hydrogen, where oxygen completes its octet configuration and hydrogen also has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. And this is how the chemical reaction takes place. So, by giving or accepting or sharing of electrons between the atoms leads to the formation of compounds. So, I trust this part of the chapter is understood by all. Thank you for watching.